All right, this is Algebra 2. This is from your 323 student notes. This is 4C. If you're still wondering, how do I multiply two rational expressions? Remember, rational expressions just means things written in a ratio or a fraction. And we, of course, need to factor. If I factor the top, things that multiply to make negative 35 and add to make 34. I should put this all the way at the bottom. Okay, multiply to make negative 35x squared and add to make 34x will be 35 and 1. And the 1 should be what's negative. So 5x squared and negative 7. Negative x and positive 35x, and as I factor 5x and x, negative 1 and 7, so the top becomes 5x minus 1 times x plus 7. When I multiply, really what happens is this becomes one gigantic fraction bar, and these things, once factored, just all become part of the numerator. So I'm just putting times 5x at the top. When I factor this part, because 10x does not need to be factored, it's just 10 times x. I'm actually going to stack it over here with other things that look alike, and hopefully you'll see in a minute why. But when I factor this, two numbers that multiply to make negative 21, negative 3 and positive 7, and add to make 4. Okay, and so now what I need to do is state my restrictions. So x cannot equal negative 7, positive 3, and 0, because 0 times 10 makes 0, and then the whole thing is 0. Now I'm looking for giant ones. X, giant 1. X plus 7, giant ones. Those do not match, but I can simplify 5 over 10. We know 5 over 10 is the same thing as 1/2. Whoops, 1/2. So I have on top 1 and a 5x minus 1. So a 1 and a 5x minus 1. And on the bottom, I have a 2 and an x minus 3. And I do not need to multiply the 2 out. I can leave it like that. Here is my answer with restrictions.